190 SL guys, this is a sight that you will not see in too many facilities anywhere in the world. We have over 11, we have 11 190s in production. We have 2 in-house over there that are coming along, and a bunch of these here, and a few more that haven't been cut yet. But you can see at Heritage here how we're mass producing as it was at the factory. Mercedes would have done the same. Colors were matched, obviously, and here's the panels for the back of the seats. You can see just how many we got. We got grays and some custom colors here, red and so on. Same with the door panels. These are all being sewn department, so they're all finished up at the same time, looking good. And subsequently the seat covers. Look how many seat covers we got. They're all at the same stage. We're mass producing them so that the different departments are sewing the same thing at the same time. It's more efficient. Again, we've shown this in other videos, but this is the tack strips that get sewn into the seats again, cut with our computer machine here, and ready to go into the seats. Yeah, I think you get the idea. Again, very unlikely to see this anywhere in the world where you'd have 10 190s in production at the same time. It was 10 or 11, I forget. It's 11, that's right. All at the same time, along with 55 other full interior kits. Very busy season here at Heritage. And there we go. There's proof of it. Thank you.